Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at number 7 question on NECO Mathematics AC. We have solved number 6, we have solved number 7B and C. This is number 7A. So, if today is the first time of watching our tutorial, please can you do what? Like, subscribe, share, okay? By so doing, you're doing what? You're encouraging us. And this math is very simple, okay? And for those who are trying to learn how to solve mathematics, follow this channel. We have solved a lot of indices, different questions, and also solve assignment too. So that is it. So let's go to the board and solve this mathematics question here. Now we have to we don't know the mass age, and then now the data's age. So what happened now? Let's let the mass age be what? X, and let the data's age be Y. So since it's unknown and it's now replaced by unknown value, which is X and Y. What next? The sum of the ages of a man and his daughter. The sum. So we can say that the sum of the man age and the daughter is what? The man's age is what? X. The sum. Okay, let's say the sum of the ages. The sum of the ages will be watch. The man's age is what? X. And the sum is addition, right? Plus the daughter's age is what? Which is unknown, is what? Is Y. So what is the sum? The sum of the ages of a man and his daughter is 60 years. So it's 60 years. That is the sum of the man and the daughter's age. So this is what? Equation 1. So this is equation 1. So let's find. Now this automatically we are knowing that this equation, this problem is not simultaneous equation. That is it. Since we are getting equation 1, this is linear to what? Simultaneous equation. So the next thing to do is continue. 6 years ago. So 6 years ago. This 6 years ago, the man's age was thrice of his daughter. So 6 years ago, let's say 6 years ago. 6 years ago. Now, when is 6 years ago? It means backward, right? So 6 years ago means backwardness. So meaning that you can say y minus 6 years ago equals to what? X minus 6 years ago. So being that 6 years ago, which means that 6 years ago, the man's age is what? 6 years ago. Y, the daughter's age, is which is y minus 6 years ago. So this is 6 years ago. What happened 6 years ago? 6 years ago, yes, what happened? The man's age was thrice of his daughter. The man's age was thrice of his daughter. So being that thrice of his daughter will be 3y minus 6 equals to x minus 6. Okay? So this is 3 years ago. That is, the man's age was thrice of his daughter. So thrice of his daughter, that is the man's age. Okay? We have to clear this bracket. So 3 multiply y is what? 3y. Is 3y minus 3 multiply 6 is what? Minus 18 equals to x minus 6. So that's what we did there. So we clear the bracket. 3 multiply y is 3y. 3 multiply minus 6 is what? Minus 18 equals to x minus 6. Okay. What happened next is what? Collect like terms. Okay? Collect like terms of variables. Collect like terms, which means that x minus 3y, okay, equals to minus 18 plus 6. Look what happened here. I collect like terms that are like variables, that are likely variables, which means that x minus 3y, when this 3y equals to become what? Minus y minus 3y equals to this minus 18 is already here. Minus 6 plus equals to become what? Plus 6. So we can say x minus 3y equals to minus 18 plus 6 is what? Minus 12. So this is what? Equation 2. Equation 2. So this is equation 2. Now we've gotten our equation 1. Okay. With our equation 1 and equation 2, we mean that we have gotten the two. Therefore, let me arrange them now. X plus y equals to 60, which is our equation 1, right? Remember this one. Then x minus 3y equals to minus 12, equation 2. Okay, that is it. Don't be confused. Okay, I just kind of I rearrange them together. That's the equation. X plus y equals to 60. We know how we drive it here. We know what happened here. This is it. We drive it from here. From let this mass h be equals to x. Let the other h be y. The sum of the h's. The sum of the h's is what gives us equation 1. Why the equation 2 is that 6 years ago, and the mass was thrice of the other's h. We got equation what? Equation 2. I just group them. Now, this is what simultaneous equation. This was purely was simultaneous equation. What happened? I'm using. We have three methods of solving this kind of questions. Depend on your own choice. We have using a solution method. We have elimination method. We have a graphical method. So we are going to use okay. Let's use solution method using substitution method. Substitution method. This is what we want to use to solve this. Which you can use using substitution method. You can using equation 1. Using equation 1. Okay, which means that x plus y equals to 60. X equals to 60 minus y. So anywhere I see x, I will substitute for y. Anywhere I see x, I will substitute for 60 minus y. So I'm going to use equation 2 now. It means that x minus 3y equals to minus 12. X means what? 60 minus y. That is x. Anywhere I see x is what? 60 minus y. So 60 minus y minus 3y equals to minus 12. So collect terms. Minus y minus 3y is what? Minus 4y equals to minus 12 minus 60. So it gives minus 4y equals to minus 72. Okay, so we divide both sides by 4. Our x is what? 42. And our y is what? Our y is what? 18. So this is our final answer. Now, if we want to cross check if our answer is correct, hope we can do it right. For us to cross check if our answer is correct, let's say to cross check if our answer is correct, we have equation 1 as what? X plus this is equation 1, x plus y equals to 60. And we now have our x as what? As 18 plus as 18 plus our y as what? Sorry, our x as what? 42. Sorry, our x as 42 and our y is what? 18. So let's see, 42 plus 18 is what? Is 60, equals to 60. So it's correct. Now let's try it for equation 2, which says just cross checking, okay, if we are correct on what we did here. So x minus 3y equals to minus 12, right? That's what we have there. So we say our x is what? 42 minus our 3 multiplied with y. Y is what? Y is 18. Okay, equals to minus 12. Okay, we can then say 42 minus 3 times 18 is what? 54. 54, right? Equals to minus 12. So 42 minus 54 is what? Minus 12 equals to minus 12. You see, so our answer is what? Is correct. So we have the left hand side as minus 12, right hand side minus 12, 60 as right hand. So the equation 1, our answer is correct because it corresponds with the equation. Okay, so that is all for today's class. And if today is the first time of joining our class or coming across this video, please do kindly watch the tutorial carefully, both the previous ones, like, drop a comment, share to your friends and your classmates. Okay, and for assignment, if you have any issue and in your assignment, kindly just write to us. We're going to guide you through the assignment. And also we do episode to solve assignment too, like logarithm, expansion, binary numbers, and the rest of them that are in this channel. Kindly calm down, go through the videos. Okay, see you in our next video, which we're going to solve other questions also, particularly NECO essay. So this is just the few ones that we have solved. We have to solve more as they come based on the NECO essay. Okay, do you have a nice day? See you in the next class. Bye for now.